Good morning to all. Welcome to the online class.
What is a polygon? Many people define it as a closed figure which has more than four sides. Something like this. It's called a pentagon since it has five sides. Or maybe a six-sided figure which is called a hexagon. Or maybe even an eight-sided figure which is an octagon. What about a three-sided figure, a triangle? Or a four-sided figure, a quadrilateral? Are these two shapes called polygons? Yes, these two shapes are also called polygons, which would mean this definition is wrong. This is the definition of a polygon. It's a simple closed figure formed by line segments which are in the same plane. All the segments that form the figure have to be on the same plane. These are the only conditions. The figure has to be closed and formed by segments in the same plane. The number of sides may be 3, 4 or 5 or maybe even 100. It will still be a polygon. Television screen, an envelope or a canvas are all examples of quadrilateral. Quadrilateral is one word, but you can see that this part is colored red and this part is colored blue. Quadri basically means four and lateral means sides. If you observe, all these things have four sides. This is an example of a quadrilateral. To name the quadrilateral, we give names to these 4 points. We call them A, B, C and D. These things that we just named are called vertices, and a quadrilateral will always have 4 vertices. Each point is called a vertex, and as we've already seen, a quadrilateral has 4 sides, and the sides are called AB, BC, CD and DA. So remember, every quadrilateral has 4 sides and 4 vertices. There's another important property of quadrilaterals. Consider this table. The surface of this table is flat. It's a plane surface. If I draw a quadrilateral on a table, it will look something like this. If you look at the quadrilateral closely, you can see that all the vertices and sides of the quadrilateral lie on one plane. So a quadrilateral has 4 sides, 4 vertices and is a closed figure lying on one plane. Observe that a vertex is formed when 2 sides meet at a point. And what is formed between those sides is called an angle. This is an angle. A quadrilateral is also defined by its angles. It has 4 angles. Apart from the one we marked, this one and this one. These are the 4 angles formed in a quadrilateral. But how do we name the angles? How can we name this green angle? Well, we can call it angle A. We just named the angle based on the vertex at which it is formed. But a better way to name it is to call it angle DAB, or you can also call it angle BAD. In these two cases, we named it based on the sides. Similarly, this angle can be called angle ABC. This one can be called angle BCD and this one angle CDA. And here's the last basic concept you need to know. In this quadrilateral, vertices A and C are opposite to each other, and vertices B and D are opposite to each other. The lines joining the opposite vertices are called the diagonals of the quadrilateral. So these two lines are called the diagonals. In this figure, we can say that AC and BD are the diagonals. What are its practical applications? When you watch this video on a 17-inch laptop, what do you think is 17 inches? It's the length of the diagonal. Even when you watch your favorite TV series on a 51-inch TV, it's the diagonal that is 51 inches. So remember, a quadrilateral is a closed figure on one plane which has 4 sides, 4 vertices and 4 angles.
Now we have to cover some MCQs based on it. See the question here. What type of triangle is this? What type of triangle have you seen there? It's an acute angle triangle. So your option is C, acute angle triangle. Next question. Have you seen the figure? Tell me what type of triangle is this? Your options are A, scalene triangle, B, acute, C, equilateral, D, isosceles. So this figure is scalene. So it is scalene triangle. Okay. Next question. An angle whose measure is exactly 90 degrees. Your options are A, acute angle, B, vertical, C, right, and D, straight. So 90 degree means right angle. So option is C. Next, how many sides does a hexagon have? Hexagon, how many sides? Your options are A, 6, B, 4, C, 3, D, 9. Hexagon means 6-side figure. So your option is A, 6. Okay. Next, how many sides does a quadrilateral have? Your options are A, 4, B, 3, C, 6, D, 9. Quadrilateral means, I have already told you, quadri means 4. That is 4-side figure. So your option is A, 4. How many sides does an octagon have? Your options are A, 4, B, 3, C, 9, D, 8. Octagon means 8-side figure. So your option is D, 8. Next, is this polygon regular or irregular? Here you have seen all sides are of same measure. No, so it's an irregular. Your option should be irregular because of the different measurement of the side. See the next here. Which type of angle is pictured? What type of angle have you seen here? It is 54 degree. So it is less than 90 degree. So when it is less than 90 degree, it is an acute angle. So you have seen the option acute angle, second option right angle, third option obtuse angle, fourth option straight angle. So your answer should be acute angle, that is A. See the next question. Which angle type is pictured? Have you seen here the picture of the angle? Your options are acute angle, right, obtuse, straight. You have seen its measurement is 130 degree. It means greater than 90 degree. It is obtuse angle. So your option should be C. Have you understood? Now do the homework. Thank you.